Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Gmail and clicking your profile icon at the top right. Select Manage your Google account. Once inside, move straight to the Security tab. This is where Recovery options live. You will be prompted to re-enter your password for security. Do that now, because the account needs confirmation. Make sure two-step verification is available if it's on, since you may need a code. This prevents unauthorized changes and ensures you can update recovery details safely. You now locate recovery email under the security options and click the Edit Pencil icon. This opens the update flow. When prompted, verify your identity by entering your password or a two-step verification code, because Google requires proof before changing sensitive contact info. Next, type the new recovery email, double-checking for typos. Small errors lock you out. Once entered, submit. Google commonly sends a verification email to that address, so follow the link to confirm the change and finalize the update. You finish by opening the inbox of the new recovery email and clicking the verification link. That step confirms ownership and completes the change. Once done, return to your Google account security page to verify the new address is listed. If you don't see the verification email, check spam and filters or use the resend option. Make sure the address wasn't mistyped. If problems persist, clear your browser cache, try another browser or device, or use Google's account recovery options to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.